Improving the efficiency of thermal engines is in the art of strategy. Today, I'm very happy to present you the new 1.2 engines with more than 2 points of improvement in terms of thermal efficiency. This is in the art of strategy, of course. By improving this engine, we'll improve by more than 5% the fuel economy of the vehicle, which basically will reduce the need of fuels and mainly the need of low carbon fuels in the future. This is our strategy: performance and sustainability.
The combination of ultra-efficient engine plus renewable gasoline enables an ideal way to reduce CO₂ emissions from transport, allowing reaching net zero emissions up the tailpipe. The ultra-efficient engine plus renewable gasoline opens an alternative way to the existing ones to reduce CO₂ emissions from cars and vans. It has a major advantage since it relies on existing technologies and an already installed refilling infrastructure all across Europe. In order to reach the full potential, the ultra-efficient engine plus renewable gasoline needs a stable regulatory framework which enables this combination to reduce CO₂ emissions of new vehicles. This in turn will reinforce the European automotive industry, which is a worldwide leader and which still has room for improvement in engine optimization. This project is an example of how the collaboration between two leading European industries can move forward in benefiting society by reducing CO₂ emissions and at the same time reinforcing two strategic sectors for the European economy as a whole.